Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face-to-Face to Online Transition. With all these Bitmoji classrooms, today's session is going to be a hack on how to remove your background using your PowerPoint. Yes, it is as simple as that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am in my PowerPoint. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture from the device. I am going to choose, let's see, the one that has a contrast. I'm going to go ahead and choose this picture. I'm going to go ahead and insert it. And as soon as you insert, you will have an option of remove background. And all the color in pink is the one that's going to be removed. So if you want to go ahead and edit it, you will go ahead and say mark areas to keep. I want to keep my hair, of course. I want to keep my eyebrows, of course. I'm going to go ahead and select the hair. I want to go ahead and keep my shirt. I want to go ahead and keep my hand. And as you can see, I'm simply selecting the areas that I want and I'm checking that in green. And PowerPoint automatically detects that. And once you're satisfied, which is going to be in a minute, there you go. I'm going to cross-check to see if I have everything. Just this part is missing. Yes, everything is taken care of. And once you're satisfied with your picture, you will go ahead and say keep changes. And as you can see, now I have everything is taken off. I only have the image that I want. I hope this trick helps. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and if you think it's worth sharing, please go ahead and share it. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below, and happy teaching.